Inside here we've got actually a nice little travel case, travel bag for it. Got your Type A to Type C USB cable. See that right there. We've got this tiny little gimbal and this little clip accessory thing. Let's put this box to the side. We've also got quick start guide, your safety guide, which is actually thicker, your troll stickers, warranty information, and then this fold out information about apps and using and everything else. So the original one that came with the device, it's got a little spring to it. And finally, here is your gimbal.